Alright guys, welcome back. In this question we have a factorial problem, and on the left side of the equation we have 10 factorial, and the right side we have 6 factorial times x factorial, and in here we have to solve this for x. So first of all, we're going to divide each side of the equation by 6 factorial. As we know, 6 factorial is not 0, so 6 factorial will be 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So definitely not a number even close to 0. So we can divide each side by 6 factorial, and on the left side and on the right side we can cancel out 6 factorial. And what we have on the left side, we will have 10 factorial, which is 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial, and the rest of this will be what we have in here, and we'll have this divided by 6 factorial, and this will be equal to x factorial. So on the left side we can cancel out the 6 factorial, and let's see what we have on the right side. So what we are left off now is 10. So we're gonna break down each of these two numbers that we can do. So for 10, the first one we can do 2 times 5. For 9 we have 3 times 3. For 8 we have 2 times 2 times 2. And for 7 we cannot do that much. And we know that x factorial will be x times x minus 1 times x minus 2. And that's going to go, and at the end we will have 1. So we can simply multiply this by 1 because it won't make any difference on the equation. And let's try to build up our factorial from 1. So the first number is 1. We have 1. Let's do 2. We use 2. Let's take 3. We're going to cancel one of these 3. Let's do 4. And for making it 4, we need 2 times 2. So 4, that's over. Next one, we need 5. And this will be our 5. And we need 6. 3 times 2 would give us 6. And the last number is 7, and this will be equal to x factorial. And looking at this, we'll see we have 7 times 6 times 5 times 4, 3, 2, 1, and that shows that our x is 7. And that would be the final answer for this question. Thanks for watching. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video.